Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a really fun experiment. I've got this huge canvas. I don't even know how big it is. I think about 40 by 60 centimeters. And I wanted to use paint and glue with just a tiny bit of water and make it really thick. So as you can see, my stick is standing up straight. It's running off like so, but my stick is standing up straight. So I used all my cheap paints. I've got a purple, pink, a red, an orange, and yellow, green, some gold, and some white. I did just thought it would be fun to put some satin enamels in my white. Why not? I'm just doing this for fun. So let's just do, using this big old cup. I have never filled it up. So let's see if I can do some cool layering. I think I'm gonna try and start with a little bit of the white. And I hope I have enough white because I want to use it as a bit of a flow extender, so I'm not going to use a lot of it. And let's just start with pouring in the purple. Look at how thick. Like so. This is going to take a while. I want to do, I think, 2 layers. So I'm pouring in about half or less, I don't know. And let's do a little bit of gold in here. And I just wanted to see what would happen if I made my paints really thick. I've always used really thin paints or thinner paints, and it gives a nice effect, but not as nice as I want to. I don't know. I don't know how to explain what I'm wanting to do right now. I just wanted to try this and have some fun with it. Let's do a dab of gold. And I've had this canvas laying around for a while now, and I was just afraid of using it because it takes so much paint. And I don't like wasting paint, but you know what? I've been doing small canvases the whole time, and I just wanted to try something big. And this experiment felt right to me, like the right thing to try on a bigger canvas. So let's put a little bit of white in there, and maybe a dollop of gold. And let's put another layer in. Probably gonna speed it up. It's not that interesting. So let me show you the cup. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. I messed up the last layer, but that's okay. We can live with that. I'm gonna thin down my white and put down, I think I'm gonna do a wandering straight pour, so I'm going to go this way. And I might just pour a little bit of white on the canvas just to help it flow a little bit better. So I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna wing it and pour some white on like so. And I'll just have to wait and see if I've got enough paint on here in the end. So let's zoom in a little bit. And I might change it over. Okay, and pouring that way. So let's see what happens. think it got a little bit of mud, but those colors on the side are beautiful, so I really need to make up some more flow extender, so let me do that real quickly. Okay, so let's torch for some bubbles first. And I think I'm going to pour some of this out in here. Just because it was a little bit orange. So I made up a little bit of a flow extender. I hope it's going to be enough. I literally just poured the whole thing in. So that's 75 milliliters. Oop. Almost lost my stick. And let's tilt this one out. See what happens. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, let's just go off that corner first. Back. Let's go this way. Okay. Nope. Now I'm making mud. Okay, well, I'm covered in brown paint, so I don't want to touch my sides anymore because it's going to make all the sides just look muddy. And I for sure don't want to stretch it anymore because it's already overstretched. I'm just not used to handling such a big canvas, so it's really a struggle to get it right and still be in frame. So let's see. Let's fix the corners. They're going to be brown anyways. Got some more purple left over, so might just put some purple in the corner. Like so. A little bit here. On this one. So I was trying to stretch it out to this corner on this side. So this corner is really a big mess. So let's just first scrape my bottom. And that orange and red really took over. It's not as bright as I thought it would be, but maybe because the mix I'm using is pretty transparent. So I actually quite like it. I really love these like fingerlings, like leaves. I wish I had them on the other side as well, but this is my first time trying to pour on such a big canvas. So it's a really big learning curve. I do like how the thicker paint poured. It felt like it was more structured. So let's see how this one dries. So I'm really happy with the final result. It dried perfectly. It's really shiny. That's why I have my curtain closed, because it's reflecting the sun. It has gorgeous details. The colors are really vibrant. Look at that. Look at those lines. They're really nice. See, here you can see the colors more as they are. With the red and the purple. And then there's gold in between the lines here. And there's gold all over these lines and on the side. But it's really hard to get them on camera. But yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out. And I think I want to try again with different colors. So thank you for watching, and I'll love to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!